In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline a word in Google Docs. If you are editing a document and want to make a specific word stand out, underlining is a quick and simple formatting option. Google Docs gives you a few easy ways to do it. And in this video, I'll walk you through each method clearly so you can use whichever one feels most convenient. First, open your Google Docs document and find the word or text you want to underline. Start by highlighting that text. To do this, click and drag your cursor across the word or phrase until it is selected. This step is important because Google Docs needs to know exactly which text you want to format before the underline can be applied. Once the text is highlighted, look toward the formatting toolbar near the top of the screen. You'll see the Underline button, which appears as a capital U with a line underneath it. Click that icon and the selected text will immediately become underlined. This is usually the easiest method, especially if you prefer using on-screen controls while working in your document. Another fast option is to use a keyboard shortcut. After highlighting the text you want to underline, press Ctrl and U at the same time if you are using a Windows PC. If you are on a Mac, press Command and U together instead. Keyboard shortcuts can save time, especially if you do a lot of formatting and want to keep your hands on the keyboard without moving back to the toolbar. Here is also a third method using the top menu in Google Docs. Again, begin by highlighting the word or phrase you want to underline. Then click Format in the top menu. From there, move your cursor over text and then select Underline. This method is helpful if you are learning where formatting tools are located in Google Docs, or if you prefer using the menu system instead of icons or shortcuts. All three methods do the same thing, so you can choose the one that best fits your workflow. If the underline doesn't appear, double-check that the text was selected before applying the formatting. That's a common mistake and it's easy to fix. Underlining can be useful for emphasis, headings, or specific formatting needs. But it's usually best to use it intentionally, so your document stays clean and easy to read. Thanks for watching.